what is the role of industrial switches in industrial automation systems? In today's rapidly developing technology, industrial automation is leading a profound change in work modes by introducing advanced technology to replace traditional manual labor. Not only has the operation been simplified, but production efficiency and safety levels have also been significantly improved. So, what role do industrial switches play on this high-tech stage? Simply put, it's like a data information cube in an industrial automation system, responsible for the orderly flow of information and ensuring accurate transmission of data to various devices. Once there is a problem with the industrial switch, it may cause production line downtime, production delays, and economic losses. Gardner Industrial Ethernet switches empower modern industrial automation systems and establish reliable and efficient networks between devices. Taking this switch as an example, it has Smart Deep function, which can enable intelligent POS with one click, and optimized functions such as robotic arms, PLC, prioritized data transmission for industrial cameras, and fewer machine interfaces to safeguard key business operations. More importantly, this switch has passed the IEC 61000 series test and can maintain stable performance even under harsh conditions. This meets wireless industrial automation needs and provides solid support for the intelligent automation transformation of enterprises.